Welcome back to our channel. Question 35 is about the name of this compound. Look at what is it. Okay, it has COO part on the left hand side. So you have 1, 2, 3 carbon. So COO, so 3. So it's a propanoic acid. Okay, comes from propanoic acid. Okay, so you think about propanoic acid. Okay, it comes from propanoic acid. What about the right hand side? Okay, just one. Okay, is methanol. Okay, yeah. So first of all, think about where do they come from, and they add together. Of course, is a methyl propanoate. So this is sometimes a trick. Okay, think about where do they come from, and then you will know the name. Okay, amazing. Yes, this trick is amazing. Thank you.